Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn if you are creating a meta ad campaign, right? And you need to create multiple ad creatives in a single ad set, then how you can create it, as well as the main portion is that how you can edit multiple ad creatives together in a single ad set in a single ad campaign. That we are going to learn in this video. As you can see, I'm into my meta ads manager and I'm creating a new campaign. And while creating a new campaign, this is the ad campaign level, this is the ad set level, and this is the ad creative. So right now we are having a single campaign, and in that particular single ad campaign we have a single ad set, and we have a single ad creative in that particular single ad set. Now let me create multiple ad creatives. For example, in this ad set I want 5 ad creatives, 5 different ad creatives, right? So that people don't get bored by seeing the same ad creative again and again, right? So I'm going to attach different kind of videos in particular each individual ad creative. So in spite of, there is one way that I can edit each ad creatives individually. Apart from that, we can also edit all ad creatives together. How we can do it? First of all, click on single ad creative, right? Now press the Ctrl key, select another ad creative, then another, then another, then another, and then another. So we have selected all ad creatives together. Now release the Ctrl key and click on edit each ad. Okay, so it is, the first column is of name. It is asking me if I want to rename the all ad creatives. So let me rename video 1, video 2, so I can identify which ad creative is which one. Video 3, video 4, video 5, and video 6. Okay, done. Now let us jump to the pages section. So all ad creatives are of same page, so we have selected the same page, right? There is no need to edit any of these. Now coming to the media part, here you can see that we have same ad creative in each ad creative. Okay, same video in each ad creative. Okay, we can't change media over here. In past there was an option that we can change media creative as well together while editing the multiple ad creatives. Now might have removed that feature, might be. Okay, so here is the primary text. We can put caption of all ad creatives differently, right? Together. We can also change headlines of all ad creatives in a single place, right? And if I come to the multi-advertiser ads, then I can turn off for all multi-advertiser ads for all creatives together. Okay, editing is not available because you selected ads, don't use this field. We can also add description of all ad creatives together. So in this manner you can change the caption, primary text, headline, and you can change the particular call description and the ad creative name in a single go. Okay, edit each ad. Yeah, here we can change ad creative as well. Look, while editing, we clicked on this edit each ad, when we went to media, right, there was no option of editing ad creatives together of all 6 ad creatives. But when we cross this and we come to this screen, then there is an option ad creative for 6 ad. Here is a button named edit each ad, right? So you can see in the left side there are all ad creatives. So let me select page videos. I have selected. Now I can simply click and change each ad creative right? In this manner, continue. Okay, so we have done this as well. Okay, each and everything has been edited. Now let us check whether all creatives have different media creatives. Yeah, this one is this, and when we go to this ad creative, then this is something different. When we go to this ad creative, then the media creative is something different. So in this manner you can simply like edit multiple ad creatives in a single manner or together, right? So this is all for now. In next video we will learn something different. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check our video description. I have already mentioned my website link over there. Just simply click on that link and visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can directly purchase our course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.